Welcome to Ridgy. Now we will see some problems on tangent of a circle here. In that, the first question, find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle of this center 2, 3 of the center 2, 3 and touching the line touching the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 that is equal to 0. This is the question here, and here is asking to find the equation of circle and having center that is 2, 3. This is center 2, 3 and touching the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Touching a line. This is touching a line. This is a touching line. Is nothing but tangent here. This is touching at one point. The line equation is 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a line equation, and the solution for this problem is given that center C is 2, 3 and tangent line that is 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0, and he is asking to find equation of circle here. Equation of circle is nothing but here the distance between this line to this point is called radius. This line to this point is called radius. Here generally the equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square that is equal to r square here. The equation of circle is here h and k. This is h and this is k here, and the perpendicular distance to this point to a center is called radius here, and the perpendicular distance is modulus of 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3 square plus 4 square, that is nothing but 9. 3 square is nothing but 3 square plus 4 square, and that is equal 6 minus 12 plus 1 divided by root square root of 25 here, and 6 minus 12 that is minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 by 5. Minus 5 will get cancelled here, that is equal to 1 here, and the radius is distance d is equal to perpendicular distance equal to 1 unit, and this can be written as r, radius. Why? Because here the distance is called radius, so radius is equal to 1 unit, and let's substitute the values of h and k and r in this expression. x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square that is equal 1 square. Let's simplify this equation here, and x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 1 here, and x square plus y square and minus 4x minus 6y 4 plus 9 that is 13 minus 1 that is plus 12 is equal to 0. This is an equation of a circle when the when the line touches the point and the center is given here. And the next type of question is and the next problem is find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent to a circle. To a circle. To a circle. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0, and which are at inclined at 45 degrees to x axis. This is the question is here, and the solution for this one is here he is given one circle. This is S is equal to 0. He is given that circle equation and given that S is equal x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0, and this is equation number 1, and he is given the slope. Slope is nothing but m is equal to formula we have tan theta. Here he is given theta is equal 45 degrees, tan of 45 degrees that is equal 1. Therefore that is m is equal 1. Here we got the slope. And next here we need to find the center here. Center is nothing but C, that is minus g comma minus f. Minus g comma minus f. Here minus g is nothing but minus of minus 4 by 2 comma minus of minus 6 by 2, and 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, and the center is minus into minus become plus 2 and minus into minus become plus 3. The center is C is 2 comma 3. Here 2 comma 3 is a center, and radius. Here we need to find the radius. Radius r is equal square root of g square plus s square minus c, that is equal g is nothing but here g is here, we have g here, that is 2 here, g is 2 minus 2 whole square plus f is minus 3 and c is plus 3 minus c is plus 3, that is nothing, minus c is minus 3, and 4 plus 9 minus 3, that equal 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10 units. R is equal square root of 10 units. And here circle, we need to find the distance to a, we need to find the distance, we need to find the equation of a tangent here. Equation of the equation of tangent, the equation of a tangent, the equation of tangent is y minus y1 m into x minus x1 plus r minus r into 1 plus m square. This is the equation of tangent formula. Here we need to substitute the values of x and x1 y1. This can be considered as x1 y1, and m is slope here, r is radius here. Let's substitute the values here. Y minus 3 is equal to x minus 2 into where m is 1 here, and plus r minus r is nothing but root 10 sorry 1 plus m is nothing but here 1 square. Let's write y minus 3, that is equal x minus 2 plus or minus root 10. 1 plus 1 it is nothing but 2. 2 root 10. This is the final expression for the equation of a tangent when circle S is equal 0 and the slope theta is given here. And the next concept is normal to a circle. Normal to a circle. Normal to a circle is nothing but normal to a circle here. What is normal here? A perpendicular line to a tangent at point of contact is called normal to a circle here. The perpendicular line to a tangent at a point of contact is known as normal to a circle. Normal to a circle here. The perpendicular line to a tangent at a point of contact is known as normal to a circle. And let us see the diagrammatical representation for normal of a circle. Normal to a circle here. I am taking one circle here. I am taking this is a circle here. This is a center C here. This is a center C, and with a radius R, this point is called point of contact. From this point of contact, I am drawing a tangent line. From this tangent line, this is a radius here. This is radius. This is radius R, and from this tangent line, so I am drawing a perpendicular line at point of contact to a tangent. This is a perpendicular line. Here the angle is 90 degrees. Here also the 90 degrees. Everywhere it is the 90 degrees. This line is called the perpendicular line to a tangent. The perpendicular line to a tangent at point of contact is called normal. This is tangent line. This is circle S is equal 0 or any standard form of circle, and this line is called normal line. Normal. This is tangent, this is normal. Always tangent and normal both are perpendicular to each other. Always a tangent and normal both are perpendicular to each other. For example, the slope of tangent is m1 and the slope of tangent is m2. The product of their slopes is equal to the product of their slopes m1 into m2 is equal to -1. This is a condition for tangent and normal slopes here. Here listen once again. This is a circle here having center C here with a radius R. At a point of contact we are drawing a tangent line. To a tangent line, if we construct a perpendicular line at point of contact, that is called as normal to a tangent here. always tangent and normal are both are perpendicular to each other, the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1 here, the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1, and this is all about normal here. And let us see some equations of different types of equations of a normal here. And the equation of normal here, first point, the equation of normal to a circle s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0 at a point P of x1 comma y1, that is x minus x1 into y plus f, next plus y minus y1 into x plus g is equal to 0. This is the equation of a normal, a circle s is equal 0, a circle s is equal 0, this is a circle s is equal 0, and if you want to find the normal equation, this is the normal here, this is tangent here, this is tangent and this is normal. If you want to find the equation of this normal, when s is equal 0 is in the form, a circle is in the form of s is equal 0 at point P, the equation of tangent form, normal form is like this. And the second point is every normal is always passing through a center of a circle. See here, if you take any point of contact in a circle, if you take anywhere and any point of contact on a circle, always you can draw all the tangents here, you can draw all the tangents. For those tangents, the normals are always passing through centers only. This is the concept about normal here. And the next point is the equation of normal. And the next point is the equation of a normal to a circle. The equation of normal to a circle, that is x square plus y square, that is equal to r square. The equation of a normal to a circle, x square plus y square is equal to r square. Then the equation is x y1 minus y x1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a equation of a normal to a circle. It is in the form of x square plus y square is equal to r square. Then this is the condition for normal. Find the equation. Next one. What is the equation of a normal what is the equation of a normal at theta circle? X square plus y square is equal to r square. That is the equation of normal at theta to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square is x cos theta minus x cos theta minus here x into sin theta minus y into cos theta, that is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal here. Equation of normal here. The equation of a normal at theta. The equation of a normal at theta to the circle a circle is passing having origin as a center, then the equation will become like this: x sin theta minus y cos theta, where theta is an angle made by axis here. This is all about normal to a circle. Let us see one example here. And the example, find the equation of a normal here to a circle. Find the equation of a normal to the circle, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the equation, and at 3, 2, and the equation of a tangent formula is, here the solution is given that s is equal x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0, and point at p equal to 3, 2, this is x1 and y1, and the condition is the equation of normal is x minus x1 into y1 plus f plus y minus y1 into x1 plus g is equal to 0. Here let's substitute the values here. Here we need to find g here. G is nothing but g is equal to 2g is equal to minus 6 and 2f is equal to minus 4. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. G is equal to minus 3 and f is equal to 2 1 ja, minus 2. G and f are, G is equal to minus 3, f is equal to minus 2. Let's substitute g, f and x1, x2 values in this expression. X minus of 3 into y1 is nothing but here 2 plus f is minus 2 here, and plus y minus y1 is here 2 and x1 is here 3 plus g is here 0, and here the complete normal is, for this one we don't have any normal here. Why? Because a point is lies on a circle, that's why there is no normal for this one. Let us see one more example for normal here. There is no normal. Why? Because here we are getting 0. For that we don't have normal equation. And let us see one more example for circle, x square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0 at 2, 4. Given that x square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1, and at p of 2, 4, this is x1 and this is y1, and g and f are 2g is equal to 3 and 2f is equal to 4. Here 2g is equal to 3, 2f is equal to 4. G is equal to 3 by 2 and f is equal to 4 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, that is equal to 2. And the equation of normal to a circle s is equal to 0 is x minus x1 into y1 plus f plus y minus y1 into x1 plus g, that is equal to 0. And let's substitute x1 and y1 and g and f values in this expression. X minus x1, x1 x minus 2 into y1 plus f, y1 4 plus f is here 2 and plus y minus y1 is here 4 and x1 plus g, x1 is here 2 and g is 3 by 2. X minus 2 into 6 plus y minus 4. If you take LCM here 2, 4 plus 3 that is 7. The final expression is 6x minus 12 and 6x minus 12, 7 by 2 for y minus 4, 7 by 2 y minus 4 is equal 0 and it can be written as 12x minus 24, 7y minus 7 4 is 28 is equal to 0. Here directly I am taking LCM 2 and sending that 2 to right hand side, that will become 0 here. 12x plus 7y minus 24 minus 28, that is 52 here. 52 here is equal to 0. This is the equation of, therefore the equation of normal to a circle is 12x plus 7y minus 52 is equal to 0. This is all about normal to a circle. And the next topic is position of a point, position of a line here, position of a line with respect to a circle, position of a line here. Which line here? It may be tangent or normal here. Here let's a circle S is equal 0. This is S is equal 0, having S is equal 0, this is a circle. S is equal 0 is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0. This is the form of circle here, and C is the center here. C is the center. C is the center, that is minus g comma minus f. C is the center and R be the radius. R be the radius and L is the distance to the perpendicular distance to the line, perpendicular distance to the line. It may be anywhere, it may be anywhere here. I am taking a tangent for this one. It should touch the circle at one point, and this is the perpendicular distance. This distance is called L. This distance is called D here. This line is called L here. This line is called L here, and this line may vary distance here. The perpendicular distance to center and this line is called perpendicular distance to center, and this line is called D here. This is D and this is L is called line here. And if here three cases are there, the case number 1, D, the distance to a center, this D is nothing but distance to center to a line, that is perpendicular distance. Which distance? This is perpendicular distance, not a normal distance. Perpendicular distance to a center to a line L is called D here, small d here. And first condition is here, if D is greater than R, the radius is less than, the radius is, distance is more, the distance is more than radius, the distance is more than radius, it should not touch the circle. Why? Because here, let us see the diagram here. Let us see the diagram. This is circle here. This is R, and the perpendicular distance to center and line. This is D. If D is greater than R, then directly you can say it is not a tangent line. Tangent is nothing but the line should touch the circle at point of contact is called tangent line. So this is Must and should, it is outside of the circle. The line should be outside of the circle. The first condition is here, and the second condition, D is equal to R. If D and R both are equal, if D and R both are equal, this is R, and the distance to a line is also same. The distance to a line, this R and this distance both are equal, then that line is called tangent line. Why? Because this line touches the circle at only one point, that is called tangent of a circle here. This is tangent of a circle at point of contact here, and this is all about second case. And what about third case here? Finally, if D is less than R, I am taking a circle, this is the center and this is R here, that is radius. If D is, the distance is less than R, less than R is nothing but it should be within the circle. The distance to center is less than R, this is more, this is R, and this distance to, this is the distance, the dotted line distance is called D. Dotted line distance is called, this is perpendicular distance to a center. Here R is greater than, R is D here, R is greater than D here, R is greater than D, otherwise we can say D is less than R here. R values more if you compare with D, it should intersect the circle at two points. It may be considered as secant line also. Secant line touches the circle at two distinct points. So then the line cuts the two distinct points here. This is all about the third case, and this is all about normal to a circle here. And in next session we will discuss about chord of a point of contact. Thank you.